Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with a crisp, square napkin. Linen gives structure. Cotton is softer. Lay it face down, align corners, and smooth out any 1/2-inch creases toward center so the base is even. Now fold the napkin diagonally to form a triangle with the point facing you. This gives you a clear top and base. Keep the fold sharp by pressing firmly with your fingers along the crease. Once done, you're ready to form the blazer shape from this stable triangle foundation. With the triangle base, fold each side corner toward the center so they overlap slightly. This creates the jacket front and establishes the seam line. Make a small downward fold at the top point, about 1/3 of the height to form the collar. Press that crease to produce a sharp lapel. Once the front looks like a blazer body, flip the napkin over carefully so you preserve the overlap and collar orientation. This lets you work on the sleeves and final shaping neatly. Fold the bottom edge up into the jacket to create the torso. Tuck a small pocket square or accent into the left chest fold for realism. Adjust lapels and sleeve edges so they mirror each other, pressing creases with your fingers to lock the shape, and flatten the base so the blazer stands on a plate or napkin ring. If things look lopsided, reopen the overlapping folds, realign the center seam carefully, then recrease firmly. This corrects asymmetry without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.